Hello, little players! Have you ever imagined a sport where the ball can't touch the ground at all? A game full of jumps, hands in the air, and lots of friendship? That's volleyball. Get your arms ready, because today our mission is to keep the ball flying high. Let's see if you have superhero reflexes. Put your hands together, one over the other, and stretch your arms down. This is the forearm pass, or bump. Let's receive the ball. Sound of pop. Received. Now, use your fingertips and set. Wow, what a perfect set. Now, bam, spike the ball to the other side. Goal. Point. Did you know that volleyball was born a long time ago, in 1895 in the United States? In the beginning, it had a very funny name. It was called MINTONETTE. But they soon changed the name because the main idea is to volley the ball, which means hitting it while it's still in the air. It's like the ball is a balloon that can't fall. Volleyball is for everyone. There's indoor volleyball, which we play in gyms.
Beach volleyball on the soft sand under the sun. And the super special sitting volleyball, an amazing Paralympic sport where everyone plays together. This shows that sports are for everyone, no matter what. Today, it's so famous, it shines in the Olympic Games. The secret is teamwork. One receives, the other sets, and the third attacks. Nobody plays alone. Playing volleyball makes our hearts strong, improves our balance, and teaches us to respect our friends and the rules. But wait, don't forget about safety. Use non-slip sneakers and knee pads to protect your knees when diving. After all, a smart athlete is a protected athlete. And you, have you tried to serve today? If you liked this lesson, leave your net like and subscribe. Do you prefer playing on the court or in the sand? Bye-bye, everyone. See you at the next game.